Chapter 4. Linear equation in two variables.
Number 1. In a plane, a point can be located using two mutually perpendicular lines such that one of them is horizontal and the other is vertical. Number 2. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. Number 3. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers such that a and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation. Number 4. There can be infinite number of solutions of a linear equation. Number 5. The graph of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line. Number 6. Every point on the graph of linear equation in two variables is a solution of linear equation. On the other hand, every solution of linear equation is a point of the graph of linear equation. That is, if x1, y1 is a solution of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then x1, y1 lie on the graph of equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Number 7. The graph of x is equal to 0 is the y-axis itself. Number 8. The graph of y is equal to 0 is x-axis itself. Number 9. An equation of the type y is equal to mx represent a line passing through origin. For example, let us check that the point 2 and 3 lie on the graph of 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. We know that if 2 and 3 lie on the graph, then x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. We have 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, let us see the left-hand side 3x minus 4y plus 6 and substitute the values of x and y. So, we get 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 6, which is equal to 6 minus 12 plus 6, which is equal to 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. So, by substituting the values of x and y, we get 0 and that is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. That is, 2 and 3 satisfy the equation 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Take the cost of a notebook to be rupees x and that of pen to be rupees y. Solution. Let the cost of a notebook is equal to rupees x and the cost of a pen is equal to rupees Y. According to the condition, we have cost of notebook which is equal to double the cost of pen. Therefore, cost of a notebook is equal to 2 into cost of a pen. Therefore, X is equal to 2 into Y. Therefore, X is equal to 2Y. Or X minus 2Y is equal to 0. Thus, the required linear equation is X minus 2Y is equal to 0.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल।
Solution of a linear equation in two variables. A linear equation involves in two variables, x and y. Solution of a linear equation, we mean a pair of values, one for x and another for y, which satisfy the given equation. Note 1. We write the solution of a linear equation as an ordered pair such that the first value for x and then the value for y. Number 2. There is no end to different pairs of solution of a linear equation in two variables. That is, for linear equation in two variables have infinitely many solutions.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल।
Exercise 4.2. Which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has number 1. A unique solution. Number 2. Only two solutions. Number 3. Infinitely many solutions. Number 3 is the correct option because a linear equation has an infinitely many solutions. As for every value of x, there is a corresponding value of y and vice versa.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।